Hi everyone, this is Eve and welcome back to my channel. We were greeted by a chilly negative 2 degrees Celsius when we arrived in Seoul yesterday, and it still feels like winter on our second day, so sobrang lamig. We spotted this Michelin rated restaurant here and the line was so long. No, we're not going to eat here yet. We're heading to Ajama's place instead. But before that, let's stop by the church first since it's Sunday. By the way, we were successful in withdrawing money from the ATM last night nga pala. And just to show you, here's a screenshot of the transaction and the ATM fee kung magkano. This amount will be shared between the two of us. Ito po yung box office every night. Sa side ba siya? Ay, hindi pa pala siya dito. Doon sa kabila nga pala siya. Asa na siya, Tita Jazz?
Hindi mo na sa kabila. Huwag yan sa atin. Hindi na sa kabila.
Sa dulo. Parang masarap, no? Nangman Kimbap. Nangman Kimbap. Ay! Tignan mo nga. It's autumn season and the Seoul Forest Park is one of the must-visit places to see the autumn leaves in Seoul. However, yung mga trees dito sa harap, medyo green pa sila. I highly suggest taking a bus to get here, especially if you plan to visit the Ginkgo tree pathway during the autumn season, kasi mas malapit siya. By the way, for this trip, we will not take the subway pala. We want it to be chill lang and relax and to avoid getting tired from climbing stairs and transferring between stations. Kaya okay lang naman if it takes a bit longer as long as we're not too exhausted. So, mag-experiment tayo. Ganda ng kulay ng ano. Ni Kuya. Ayun. This will be my first time visiting SM Entertainment's new home, kaya I'm so excited. A few minutes walk from here, you'll find the Seoul Forest Street Cafe. It's a charming area filled with cozy cafes, trendy eateries, and vibrant shops, perfect for a relaxing break or just a casual stroll. There are many cute cafes around here, but since I love bears, I chose to visit this one.
Akala ko tatawagin niya tatay. Tawagin mo naman eh. Okay lang.
We enjoyed taking the bus to explore places here in Seoul. Hindi siya nakakapagod, hindi masakit yung paa namin, and I think it's a good start. So far, hindi pa rin kami naliligaw, so let's see what's our next adventure holds. So for dinner, we plan to have a food trip here in Myeongdong. Let's start with a fish cake with soup. This is perfect for this freezing weather.
Ano? 4,000. Magkano? 20,000. I told you. Ano?
So this is the famous lobster here in Myeongdong that we've always wanted to try for years. But it's always been too expensive. Pero this time, let's try it para makross na natin siya sa list.
Ayun yung cheese. Ay, yummy. Ito, chopstick. Ayan na. Ay, initin pa siya.
Masarap siya, pero parang too expensive pa rin for me. I prefer this one kesa dun sa lobster. Ang sarap niya.
Ito ba yung mga betang chicken? Maraming pila. O ano? Ayun yun.
We also love this pancake. Medyo mabigat na siya sa tiyan and medyo mabigat na rin yung gastos namin dito for street food. I think baka mamaya ito yung pinakamahal namin na gastos for dinner or lunch. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Happy travels and see you on our day 3.